Okay, so you know how to make a list of careers based on your top two interest categories. So I'm going to show you how to complete this section. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a look through the list, only focusing on job zone 2 jobs and higher. You can only select one job from job zone 2, and your advisor will let you know why. It's in the slides. So I'll select, just as an example, I'll select a job from job zone 3. So I'm going to select this job because it's something I'm interested in learning about. So I'm going to click on this link. It'll bring me to the main page here. And I can read this. However, I'm going to click on Easy Read and click on Yeah, Let's Go. And it's going to show me this other page, which is a little bit easier to read. And it also has a video. So I'll watch the video and then I'll summarize it. So what I'll do is I'll make two screens so that I can watch the video and I can write down some ideas from the video in my career plan. So I'll click it.
For patients recovering from injuries or illness, the work to regain lost abilities or get relief from pain is supported by physical therapists, assistants, and aides. These healthcare workers.
So this is a 1 minute and 36-second video. I'll watch the entire thing and I'll write down some ideas of what they're saying. I'll watch it a few times and then I'll write down the career name. I can just copy that here and paste it into the career box. And then I'll write a quick description, 2 or 3 sentences at the most. After writing down some notes and then writing out full sentence of the description, I'm going to go back to this main page and I'm going to click on contents and education. This will bring me to a survey in which people were asked, how much education do you need in order to do this job? And so what I would like you to do is take a note of this information. So for example, for this job, for physical therapy assistants, 84% of the people who were polled said that you needed a 2-year associate's degree, a 2-year college degree to do this job. That's the majority of the people said that. 15% of the people said they had a bachelor's degree, and 1% said a professional degree. So I want you to take down that information here so you know how much education you need in order to do this job. Okay, so now I've written down the 3 education levels that the survey results have given me. And I'll move on to the next part, related occupations. So I'll go back to my main page here. I'll click on contents and then look for related occupations, and there it is. Now you should have a few occupations here under related occupations. Some of them may have the sun, some may not. If you have occupations here and none of them have the sun, you can select an occupation without the sun. But if you have the sun here, then I'm going to ask you to select these occupations because, again, these are careers that are expected to grow. So let's say I'm interested in what a psychiatric technician does. I'm going to click on that and just basically do the same thing. I'll watch the video, and if I'm interested in that, I'll go ahead and select, go back again, and I'll copy over the link. So here I'm selecting, I click before it, I select the whole link, Control C to copy, I bring it over to my career plan, and I hit Control V and it pastes it. And the sun icon, I can delete that, and here I have the link. Finally, for additional information, I'm going to leave this up to you. I recommend going ahead and clicking contents and going to wages and employment. But if you click on New York, you click go, it'll give you a breakdown of the annual and hourly wages for this job. I'll leave it at annual wages. And I'm interested in this because I might want to do this job. We're going to look at these jobs again. So I want to know how much each one makes. Okay, so I've included some additional information that is relevant to me being interested and thinking about this job. So that's that's the type of information I want you to put here. I've put in what workers earn on average, what the 10% and lower make, and what the 10% and higher make. Okay, so that is a completed career description. And again, I'm going to ask you to do 5 of those.